Hello and good evening everyone. Your very own Natty welcomes you yet once again to your very own Style 360. Today we are at 10Q, commonly known as the Fashion Boulevard. यहाँ पर एक mid-summer lawn exhibition हो रही है by Sadia and her husband. अभी थोड़ी देर में हम उनसे भी बात करेंगे. Actually this is their Eid collection because Eid आ रही है तो उन्होंने सोचा कि ये best time है कि lawn को निकाला जाए. बिकॉज इतनी गर्मी में ईद आएगी कि लोग चाहेंगे कि कुछ ठंडी ठंडी अमेजिंग सी लॉन हो. इस वक्त मैंने भी सादिया का ही एक लॉन प्रिंट पहना हुआ है एंड आई थिंक इट्स यू नो द कलर स्कीम इज़ एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. तुमने पहना हुआ भी है, मैंने भी, नाटी ने भी पहना हुआ है. कैसा लग रहा है?
Natty, I really like the fabric और सबसे important चीज़ इनके one design में two colors है.
Yes.
So the color I'm wearing, this is pink, one design but it has also yellow and black. So आप mid summer में आप इतना खूबसूरत fabric which is comfortable and eye soothing colors बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Of course हर designer की अपनी choice होती है लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसे color रखे हैं कि which is wearable in the summers.
बिल्कुल.
So Sadia designer and Atif Yahya, her husband, they have launched in Karachi. They receive warm welcome. At the same time in Lahore, I mean, I can see a lot of people, and I'm wearing it, and I loved it.
अच्छा ये बताओ कि you are the brand ambassador for them. So when they approached you and they told you that कि पहली दफ़ा लॉन निकाल रहे हैं and all of that, whatever, you know, so did you think or did you say कि अच्छा I should become their brand ambassador?
Well, I think Natty, it's one of those things कि once you do a lawn campaign, you establish yourself as somebody who really must mean something, you know. So I felt pretty excited because I was like, wow, only these big superstars you see on these billboards. So if they want me to do this, you know, that means मेरी सारी मेहनत काम आई and I've gotten somewhere. So it was fun like that, and I was glad that you know, we all got to do it together. It was the first time for me, it was the first time for them. So we were all newcomers in this area of you know, things. But it was a grand experience, very good, and mashallah, it's done well, and that's what ultimately mattered. So we've done that. Obviously means that कि हाँ काम हो गया, ठीक हुआ. 'Cause it's a bittersweet symphony that's life.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम आतिफ, how are you doing?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आई एम फाइन. हमने ये सादिया डिज़ाइनर्स कलेक्शन के नाम से लॉन ईद कलेक्शन की एग्जीबिशन की. हमें कराची में बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला और हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर आयशा उमर और अनूश अशरफ हैं और हमारी फ़ोटोग्राफी मुन्ना मुश्ताक ने की है. उसकी वजह से हमारा जो लुक और ईद कलेक्शन का वर्किंग थी, 3 लोगों के साथ हमें जो अपलिफ्ट मिली वो उसके अलावा थी. और उसके साथ हमारा जो कलर थीम स्कीम और वाइब्रेशन कलर के कॉम्बिनेशंस थे, कॉम्बोज, वो बहुत पसंद किए गए.
ये बताएं कि today you are here at this lawn collection. It's called Sadia Designer Lawn Collection. It's like midsummer lawn. Eid आ रही है, so when I was talking to the owners Atif Yahya and Sadia, मियाँ बीवी दोनों, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ईद की वजह से उन्होंने ये सारा डिज़ाइन किया है और इसको पहले कराची और अब लाहौर लेकर आए. आमिर मज़हर का इवेंट है, बहुत सारे लोग आपको कैमरे के पीछे नज़र आ रहे होंगे, तो आपने देखी, आपको कैसी लगी लॉन?
मुझे ज़्यादा मौका नहीं मिलता इस किस्म के इवेंट्स में. आई एम ग्लैड आई एम हियर एंड दे लवली, क्योंकि मैं भी इनसे आतिफ से बात कर रही थी और उन्होंने गालिबन लूम से लेके सारी चीज़ें खुद डेवलप की हैं ओवर सो मेनी इयर्स. आई थिंक दे वेरी प्रिटी.
Aisha, how are you doing?
Good, Natty. How are you doing? Good to see you.
Absolutely gorgeous, by the way.
Thank you. We've had a mad, crazy week, though. You know, hopping around, shoots, morning shows, promoting the product. So it's been hectic, but it's been fun because you know the lawn is nice, the prints are nice.
अच्छा आशा ये बताओ that you know being in the field for so long, obviously when somebody new approaches you for something like that कि पूरी launch campaign करनी है and you already have a name in the market where then people are watching you, then you do end up thinking twice. तो तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हुआ that when they said कि oh first time round हम लोग launch कर रहे हैं, you have to be the brand ambassador, so what were your sentiments on that?
I think when I saw the prints, क्योंकि हमने design process में भी अपना input दिया, we went there to look at the prints and we liked a couple of things, so we're like sure, let's see if this goes well, then we'll work with them in the future inshallah also.
You know the one that takes you to the places where all the things meet, yeah. No change, I can change, I can change, I can change, but I'm here in my mode, I am here.
What do you think of Sadia's launch designer collection today?
Well, it's really nice. I mean, there's so many details in it, so that even somebody who, you know, can't get out, can't get sort of a top design ready-made pret, they can take it to their tailor, they can use their own, you know, use Sadia's great materials and those embroidery pieces, and then use their own creativity to find a piece that works for them. And they've got a couple different examples, plus what you're wearing, of how that might look. And I think that combination of a professional designer creativity plus one's own personal creativity.
In my mode, but I'm a million different people from one day to the next. I can't change my mode. No, 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 no. Been down.
Assalamu alaikum, and how are you doing, Vishwa?
Alaikum assalam, I'm fine and I'm enjoying the environment here. It's very nice and people are coming and rushing towards it, and they're very much interested in buying this stuff because it's very beautiful, the motifs and the colors, because there are two beautiful themes, Eid and teenagers. They are particularly focusing on teenagers, so the colors are very bright and beautiful.
Well, I've never prayed, but tonight I'm on my knees, yeah. I need to.
जी फ्रेंड्स, तो आज जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा हम लोग 10Q पे थे, फैशन बुलेवार्ड पे आमिर मज़हर का इवेंट था, बहुत सारे लोग आए. मिड समर लॉन कलेक्शन थी फॉर ईद बाय सादिया हु आर बेस्ड आउट ऑफ लाहौर एज वेल. इनकी 2 कलर वेरिएशंस थी, 6 प्रिंट्स थे, बट ऑल टुगेदर क्योंकि 2 कलर वेरिएशंस थी, देयर वर 12 प्रिंट्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच. नाटी साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ, और बहुत जल्द मुलाकात हो रही है आप लोगों के साथ ओनली ऑन स्टाइल 360.